Let us talk a little bit about some time expressions that confuse a lot of people. Those are time expressions with preposition om and preposition I. Like, for example, om kvelden versus I kveld. So what is the difference between them and when shall we use them? Well, first of all, let us look at these words. Morgen normally means a morning, and it's from about 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Formiddag, this is the first part of the day, like before noon, 9 to 1 o'clock approximately. Ettermiddag, afternoon, from about 1 o'clock until 6, 7 o'clock. Kveld, evening, from 7 o'clock to 11 p.m. Natt, which means night, and it's about from 11 p.m. till 5 a.m. Okay, and then let us look at prepositions. So, preposition I and indefinite form of the time expression. So, preposition I plus ubestemt form. In this case, we speak about this particular night, this particular evening, this particular afternoon. So, not all of them, not in general, not the one that was some other day, but this particular. Like this. Hva gjør du I kveld? So, I kveld is tonight, so this particular evening. Yeah, and you see, I goes together with indefinite form of the word kveld. So no endings, nothing has changed. Jeg har et møte I ettermiddag. I ettermiddag means this afternoon. I natt sov jeg dårlig. You see, I natt, I together with indefinite time expression is about this night. Vi ses I morgen. Well, this one you should pay attention to. I morgen means tomorrow. So, but we have another time expression, I morges, which is used for this morning or earlier today. Jeg så deg ikke I morges. I didn't see you this morning. And then preposition om plus definite form of the time expression. Preposition om plus bestemt form. Hva liker du å gjøre om kvelden? What do you like to do in the evening or in the evenings, usually, generally? Om and kvelden, which is in its definite form. Jeg pleier å drikke 2 kopper kaffe om formiddagen. Well, usually, in the first part of the day, before noon, I drink 2 cups of coffee. Om morgenen jeg alltid trøtt. I'm always tired in the morning. Om ettermiddagen har jeg ofte mye å gjøre. I often have a lot to do in the afternoon. So you see, om and the definite form of the time expression shows us some regularity that something happens not just once and not this particular morning, not this particular afternoon, but generally. Yeah. So let us now compare time expressions so that you see them more clearly. Om kvelden, I kveld. So, om kvelden, in the evening, in the evenings, regularly, but not this particular evening. I kveld is only tonight. Om natta, I natt. Om natta is at night, usually at night, normally at night. I natt, this particular night. Om ettermiddagen, I ettermiddag. Well, the same logic. Om formiddagen, I formiddag. Om morgenen means in the morning, usually in the morning. I morges is this morning, earlier today, and I morgen means only tomorrow. So don't be confused.